In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock Cloudflare on Chrome. If you've ever encountered issues where a website you're trying to visit is blocked by Cloudflare, it can be incredibly frustrating. But don't worry, this is a common issue and can usually be fixed with a few simple steps. Today, I'll guide you through the process of clearing your browser data and resetting Chrome to regain access to the website. Let's get started. First, make sure you have Google Chrome open on your computer. This method works specifically for Chrome, so make sure you're using that browser. Once you have Chrome open, take a look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll notice three small dots stacked vertically. This is the menu icon, and it's the gateway to Chrome settings. Go ahead and click on those three dots. When the drop-down menu appears, you'll see a list of options. What you want to do here is select Settings. Clicking on it will open up a new tab where all of Chrome's configuration options are located. Now that you're on the settings page, take a look at the left-hand side. You'll see a menu with several categories of settings. From here, scroll down until you find the section labeled Privacy and Security. Once you see it, click on it to open the privacy-related settings. Now, within the Privacy and Security section, you'll find an option called Clear Browsing Data. This is the tool we'll use to reset some of the temporary files and data stored in Chrome that might be causing the issue with Cloudflare. Click on Clear Browsing Data, and a pop-up window will appear. In this window, there are a few options to choose from, and it's important to select the right ones. Look for a checkbox labeled Cookies and Other Site Data. This option clears any stored cookies, which are small files that websites save to remember your preferences or logins. Next, you'll also want to select the checkbox for cat images and files. This clears the temporary files stored by Chrome, which can sometimes interfere with website functionality. Make sure both of these boxes are checked. Once you've selected these two options, you'll see a button at the bottom that says Clear Data. Click on that button, and Chrome will begin clearing the selected data. Depending on how much data has accumulated, this process might take a few seconds, so just be patient. After the data has been cleared, it's important to restart Chrome so the changes can fully take effect. Close Chrome completely by exiting out of all open tabs and windows. Once it's fully closed, reopen Chrome like you normally would. Now that Chrome has been restarted, try accessing the website that was previously blocked by Cloudflare. In most cases, this process resolves the issue, and you'll be able to use the site without any further problems. If the problem persists, you may need to look into other possible reasons for the block. But 9 times out of 10, clearing your browser data is enough to fix it. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully unblocked Cloudflare on Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.